Hi, it's Anne here, and today's video is, I think, my third, sadly, update of my beauty project pan. So this project is sort of to complement my regular project pan, which I just focus on makeup. This project was to focus on other beauty items outside of makeup. I did film like an inventory of all those things at the beginning of the year, and I wanted to pare some of that down. And I decided to do a project because I really wasn't making much progress. Just a few areas I was making progress, no problem. Other areas was problematic. So that's why I have this project. I have been working on the items. I just haven't done updates. For some reason in my head, if I'm doing an update every other month, I just somehow lose track. And I didn't want to do this project every month because I felt like it wouldn't show enough difference. It wouldn't be interesting enough, but maybe it's just better to do this every month. So with that said, let's get started on the update. The first item is my body oil. This is a Bath & Body Works almond and vanilla body oil. This is where we're at right now. It's gone a little slow over the summer just because I don't really feel like using a body oil. But now that we're heading into, the colder months, I can see myself gravitating towards this. I do really want to finish it by the end of the year, and I think if I focus on it, I definitely can. But saying, yeah, we're moving to the colder months. Our September's been so warm, so I'm not mad about it. And I hope that it stays warm through most of October too. But yeah, I do need to get back on track with this. I have not been really using it. I've been using like my lotions and my creams and that instead of this, but I do want to get back onto finishing this, and I'm really striving to finish this by the end of the year. So last update this was, oh, I've hidden that. Let me actually see the numbers. So nerdily, I hide columns to make it easier to see my spreadsheet and my camera on my computer all like in one screen, except for I hid everything. So last update, this was 97.76 grams. It's now 79.15 grams. That's a difference of 18.61 grams. So really moving well on that. Second is this gingham fragrance from Bath & Body Works. It's gone down a little bit since last update, but I'm not comfortable drawing a new line because it's so close to the other one. So we're just going to leave it where it is. But you can see that it's definitely gone down a tiny little bit since last update. Originally, I was trying to finish this, but I think, again, I want to try and make it to this line. It's going to be hard. I just use this as a room spray. I don't personally like it on me. Last update, this was 212 grams. It's now 207 grams. That's a difference of 5 grams. We're getting very close to, this is over 200 grams, and my regular scale that I measure like all my beauty products on only goes up to 200. So this like errors out. So I use my kitchen scale. So hopefully by next update, I can use it's a jewelry scale that I got from Amazon to weigh this. So yeah, happy about some of that progress, but I would like it to be more. Next up is a hand cream from Bath & Body Works. This is the Coffee and Whiskey. It's definitely getting close to being done. It's hard to tell though, like this product, it's like, the tube is really hard, so you have to squeeze it. I think I'm going to cut it open soon because I feel like I'm not using it as much because it's just kind of a pain to use now. But I love this scent. This is like my favorite, probably my favorite scent of all time. Well, warm vanilla sugar is probably like, if I could only ever pick one scent for the rest of my life, it would be warm vanilla sugar, but this one would be a close second. So yeah, again, I think I'm on target to finish this by the end of the year. I'm not, again, a big hand cream user. I don't think this has helped me become, it's not a habit. It's not a regular habit for me to use this. I really have to focus and think about using this, and I use it sporadically. Like it's not consistent. I don't know. I guess I just don't. I don't feel like my hands are very dry, but I do wash my hands a lot, so I should be using this a little bit more. So I don't know. Anyway, last update, this was 27.53 grams. It's now 22.96 grams. That's a difference of 4.57 grams. Next up is this EOS lip balm that I was using on my feet, and I don't remember last update if this was flat or not. I could call it, but I think I'm going to try and use a little bit more of this and see, because I know that there's like a plastic piece in there that I can try and finish this up. like fully. Again, it's just a product that I've been using creams and other things on my feet and forgetting to use this. It does help. Like it's you know, it's still like moisturizing for my feet. So I normally kind of focus this on like, I have a lot of TMI a little bit. I have a lot of hard skin on my feet, like a lot of calluses. I think it's just years of dancing. My feet have just adapted to being that way. So I kind of use this more on like the callousy areas, like the balls of my feet. So last update, this was 21.61 grams. It's now 21.27 grams. That's a difference of 0.34 grams. Next item is my Lush soap. I think this was called Seaweed or Sea something. We're getting through it. I kind of keep forgetting. This is what I've been trying to remember to use to wash my brushes with. I normally use a different, I have like a Pears soap that's like a clear. That's what I normally use to wash my brushes. But yeah, I've been trying to focus on this. So it's definitely going down. And again, it will definitely be finished by the end of the year. I like this soap. It just does not want to focus on it. I really like this soap. I can see myself, well, shampoo. I guess it's a shampoo. It's not a soap. But you can use it like hair, body, all over. And I can see myself repurchasing it. It lasts a really long time. I did just recently buy a soap bar. I don't know if I talked about that in my last update or not of my buys and buys, because I can't remember when I bought it. It must have. Maybe not. No, it'll be coming up. So I did buy another soap or shampoo bar, but I bought a different one. And it's fine. I like it, but I do really like this. So last update, this was 16.33 grams. It's now 14.58 grams. That's a difference of 1.75 grams. Next up is this eyebrow eyelash serum. Again, sporadic. It's kind of like in the same vein of this. When I think about it, I use it. And when I use it, I like glob it on because I'm like, oh, get it on, get it on. It's such a weird product. And I don't think it's, again, because I haven't used it consistently, I can't say it's done anything. But when I was using it consistently, like when I first got it, I never really noticed much of a difference. So I don't know. Anyway, it's the Peter Thomas Roth. They call it Lashes to Die For Turbo Conditioning Lash Enhancer. You can put it on lashes and brows. I hate this. I hate it. It's so weird. It's so hard to use. But anyway, we're getting progress on it. And I think what I'll do with this is, because it's really hard to tell like how much is left, I think I'm just going to call it at the end of the year saying it's done, because I've had this forever. And, you know, whatever I get out of it this calendar year is good enough for me, if that makes sense. So last update, this was 9.1 grams. It's now 9.01 grams. That's a difference of 0.09 grams. Next up is a face mask from Wander Beauty. Again, super old. Looks really rough. This is like a peel-off mask. Again, almost done. I feel like a lot of the products in this project are like close to done. And had I been more diligent in using the products, probably would be done by now. But again, another sporadic item. I just kind of use it here and there. And when I do use it, I just kind of use it like T-zone area. I used to use this kind of thing all over my face, but I feel like I don't need to. And yeah, I don't think this mask really does anything for me. It's called Purifying. It's the Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. It's just kind of fun to peel it off your face. That's about it. Like, I really don't think it does anything for me, to be honest. And I would not repurchase this. I think this came in a beauty subscription box. So last update, this was 25.6 grams. It's now 21.98 grams. That's a difference of 3.62 grams. Next up is this product, which is the Clinical Works Dewy Glow Brightening Facial Mist, which it's a lie. It's not really. I do have this in this because the spray on this is better. This is like almost done. So I'm going to take what's left in this, put it in there, and then we'll get rid of this. So next update, I won't have this packaging anymore because I just want to get it out. I don't want to hang on to it. Don't buy this. It was not great. I don't think it did really anything for me, but I'm using it to just use it and to finish it. At least it's not negative. Like, it's not adversely affecting my skin, if that makes sense. So this little package, last update was 83.3 grams. It's now 55.99 grams. That's the difference of 29.31 grams. So yeah, I've really been focusing on trying to finish this. So I'm, again, confident that I'll have that finished by the end of the year. This guy, my stupid Crest white strips. So last update, I had 6. I now have 5. Yay! The target was to use 3 per month. That should have been done in like March. I don't know what to do. The problem is with this is it takes an hour. You have to put the things on for an hour, and I'm constantly sipping water, coffee, tea. Like, it's rare that I have a whole hour at home where I can use this. Like, maybe I just put it on and then go for like a walk for an hour. Just would suck if I ran into somebody I know and be like, I can't really talk. But yeah, I'm really gonna try and finish this up by the end of the year. I don't know. You know what would have been better value for me is to just go somewhere and get my teeth whitened. I might do that next year. But I really am going to try and finish those. It's hard. I don't know why. It's just one of those things that's just really not convenient, even though it should be. It just is not. And they're not comfortable. Like, I don't like these things. They're not comfortable. So yeah, a whole 1 strip down. And we only have 3 months left and we have 5 strips. So we got to get moving on those. Next up is the hair product that I have in here. It's the Tresemme Heat Defense Spray. It's this little travel guy. And yeah, I'm almost done this as well. Like I said, everything's like almost done. We're close to finishing most things. Last update, this was 42.17 grams. It's now 29.53 grams. That's a difference of 12.64 grams. I can't say I've really noticed any difference with this. Like, my hair is definitely very dry because of the damage of the bleach. But I need to cut my ends. So, it's like straw. It's like Sahara Desert. It's like a tumbleweed going through here. I need to kind of do a conditioning treatment or something. But like I said, it doesn't adversely affect. So if it's helping, if it is protecting my hair a little bit, I don't blow dry my hair every day. I don't even wash my hair every day. So yeah, anyway, that's that product. So again, that should be finished. Could even be finished by the next update, because there's really barely anything left. And then the last thing I've kind of left to the end is, because I'm kind of reversing course on this. So this is the Bath & Body Works Summer Melody Fine Fragrance Mist. I love this. I always get compliments when I wear this. I wish they'd bring this back. This is where we're at right now. So you can kind of see the lines on the side. We are so close to finishing this, but I'm going to pull it out of the project. It would be nice to finish this and have the packaging, like, it's taking up space, be finished with it. But I don't want to just use it to use it. And I love wearing this in the summer. So I'm just going to put it away. I'm pulling it out of the project. Yeah, I'm hopeful maybe they bring this back, and so I can feel confident just finishing this. I would definitely buy this in a full size, 100%. I don't think this came in a full size, though. I think this was just a mini last time. The scent notes of this are golden honeydew and bronzed vanilla, so it's kind of like a fruity vanilla scent, but it's more like a gourmand, like sugary one, but I don't know, there's a little bit of freshness in there. It's just a really pretty scent, and every time I wear this, I get a compliment. Pretty much. So, yeah, we're going to roll that out. So last update, that was 65 grams. It's now 50.97 grams. That's a difference of 14.03 grams. So we've definitely used a lot of it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll this back in. It's the Snowflakes and Cashmere Fine Fragrance Mist from Bath & Body Works. Again, a really regular, it's almost like a linen-y kind of scent. So it does kind of work all year round for the most part. But I do have a full size of this, so I do want to finish this out. I have used it a little bit since my last update. You can kind of see, like when I pulled it out, I did use it. I did use it a tiny little bit. So from last update, this was 58.81 grams. It's now 58.61 grams. So that's a difference of 0.2 grams. So again, we're going to focus on finishing this out, and I think I can finish this by the end of the year. And that would be a good target because I do have a full size. So I'm not stressed about finishing that one. And again, it's another favorite scent. If I could, like, this would be number 3, I feel like. Out of all the fragrances. So the other one I have that I use a lot, and I'm really sad that, like, I still haven't seen it come back, is Beach Nights. So warm vanilla sugar, coffee and whiskey, summer melody, and Beach Nights. Those are the 4 that I use the absolute most. I would say, out of all the fragrances I have from Bath & Body Works. Anyway, so yeah, we're going to roll out the Summer Melodies, roll this back in, and hopefully finish that by the end of the year. So yeah, this is what we're working with. I'm not going to roll anything new into this project. Kind of like my regular project pan, I've kind of said, you know, it's getting close to the end of the year. I kind of just want to focus on these things, really try and finish them. And if I kind of start using other stuff, or if I finish something outside of this project, I'll be happy with that, but it's not a priority. The priority is to finish what we've got here. So it's out of my cupboards, out of my collection. I am trying to reduce sort of my like beauty care stuff. It is pretty good. I did my inventory, and overall it's pretty good, but there's a few categories where I just like, I've had stuff stick around, and I really just need to use those things up and clear them out of my collection. So yeah, if you like this update, feel free to give a little thumbs up down below. And if you haven't already, I would love it if you subscribe to my channel here in Toronto, Canada. I hope you're doing well, and I'll see you sometime soon. Bye.